Really are happy to be here because we see the value of bridging that gap and building the bridge between Hong Kong and Israel. So that's part of the reason why we came. Oracle founded in 2017. All the co-founders are from the traditional finance industry. I myself have been in the industry for 10 years, worked for investment banks and 3 hedge funds. Then we pull this guy over, he's the brain, and he does all the research from HSBC. I think a good project would typically have a good prototype. I think that's the first kind of key that we look for. The second layer, I think, is the team and the advisor that they have. I think that speaks a lot for the projects. And then the third is probably the tokenomics, right, of the whole project. Why does it need to be tokenized?
One of the most important things we do is develop our tools. This is something that is very core to what we do. We are developing all of our technology so that it is as easy as possible for developers to get into, to start developing, start contributing. So we're working with a company called Copter Express. They're building drones that are able to autonomously go from point to point, take packages. They have their own charging station, which you're going to see in a bit. That at the click of a button, it opens autonomously. The drone can land on it. It gets centered, gets charged completely without human intervention. That's the station itself.
There's a lot of interest in this project. Obviously, it's very advanced. It's very interesting, and people find it fascinating to work through the problems that we're working through and to come up with new use cases that even we didn't think about.